Hey y'all, it's Heather here, a girly in tech and a mom. I'm currently at Livonia Bakery and Cafe. This place I found actually on TikTok. I think it's family owned or family ran, but they have this great tiramisu latte. And inside of the cafe area, it's just old Italian men minding their business. So I'm here. I have a lighter day at work today, which means that I can actually work from home in another place. So typically, with my job as a solution engineer, if you don't know, I have the flexibility to do whatever. A lot of my time is spent actually learning the product, doing trainings, doing security RFPs, which is what is an RFP? Request for proposal. My goodness, my brain is blanking. Security docs of that nature, but literally just like behind the scenes, getting myself prepared to have these meetings. And so my role as a solution engineer is to really tie different feature functionalities of the platform that I sell to individuals that want to buy it. So I sit alongside the seller and they do like the negotiation, the payments, paper trail, things of that nature. And I really just show business value and I come in as a technical expert. I have been doing this now for about 6 years. Since I graduated college, I started off as a sales development representative first for the Colorado Avalanche doing sports ticket sales. And then I moved over once I left Denver, Colorado. I moved to Atlanta and worked for a company called Sales Loft. And I did the same thing. And then I jumped into more product focused solutioning. But now at 30 years old, I think I'm ready to take it serious to endeavor on becoming a software engineer. So I want to be that. That's something I desire. It's not something that I naturally have the ability to just do. I've been trying to teach myself Python for 10 years. College, I got my first book, Python for Dummies. And that book was crazy. That was before ChatGPT. That was before Claude. That was before Gemini. That was before OpenAI, period. And so people that learned things like software engineering and coding and all of that back in the day, hats off to you because now it's easy. Everything that you need is literally at your fingertips. And there's guys like Code Bro Code, that put 12-hour courses on YouTube. And there's things like Claude that can write full lines of text and code for you, whether it be Boolean and logic, integer, string, whatever the case may be, it does all the formatting for you. And so you can effectively run code yourself and build these nice programs out. So, with all that being said, I'm still teaching myself the old way because I'm a millennial. So, we are that demographic and age group of individuals that still do it the old fashioned way. We take notes, but we also take notes on the computer. Um, we're the bridge. I feel like we're the bridge that closes the gap. And so I need to stay tech savvy enough, but I also want to stay ancient enough in a way as well so that I am always being able to attract and teach what is being and what is being seen. And so I say all this to say, because a lot of y'all watching this probably do not even care. But this is also just like my journey. And I'm just going to start documenting the real raw because why not? But my role right now is to bridge that gap. I pretty much talk to people and break down the technical difficulties of the platform so people can understand it and decide if it makes sense for their business or their company or their brand or image. And so I want to do that beyond social media space. I want to do it holistically. And I'm putting this out here right now. My dream company is where I'm at currently, but everybody in tech, I feel like, always desires to work at big tech. So, Google, let's just be real. I have a lot of friends, associates, if that work at Google or that have worked at Google, and so it's possible. A lot of the guys that I know that worked at Google, smart, like smart. I mean, they came out of college working at Google. What a dream. I didn't. I came out of college working in sports ticket sales, so my path may be different, but we can all achieve our dreams. And even if I never achieve it, at least I can say that I live life trying and endeavoring. And that's my whole goal in life is to continue to endeavor. The scripture says, press toward the mark of the prize of the most high calling, which is in Jesus Christ. And I take that and apply it to everyday life. Press, 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 because we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. And if he gives you the vision, if he gives you the dream, try to pursue it. He won't give you an image or an idea of something that he can't take you to or bring you to. And so if that work is dead, and so you have to do the work in order to achieve. And so I'm here doing the work. Now this elder telling guy is telling a story. So I feel like I'm actually interrupting their time. They seem like they come here every day, and so I'm actually going to get off this microphone and continue getting back to my learnings for today. I have one internal meeting for work at 2 o'clock, so I'm spending about 30 minutes here at the coffee shop this morning. I just dropped baby boy off to grandma's for daycare, or like daycare, like you know what I mean, just so she can be with the grandbaby and hang out with him. And then I'm going to get back home so I can get in front of my computer screens and get prepared for my meeting properly and crush the day. So I hope y'all are having an amazing time. I love you and I mean it, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Later.